I'd like to welcome everybody to the tree lighting ceremony hosted by Mayor Kennedy and her staff at City Hall. You know, it's Christmas season. We want to have some fun. We want to be joyous, and we figure we're preparing you for a night of celebration, beginning here with a tree lighting and some musical entertainment, and then everybody can move on to City Hall. So thank you again for coming out, and right now I'd like to introduce the choir, the chime choir, and the chorus from Cobbett Elementary School to entertain you.
Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, let's go. Let's look at a show. We're in a wonderland of snow. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, it's grand. Just holding your hand. We're riding along with the song in a wintry fairyland. Our cheeks are nice and rosy and comfy, cozy are we. Come on, snuggled up together and stay where the weather would be. Let's take that road before us and sing a chorus or two. Come on, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
I want to welcome all of you to our annual tree lighting ceremony. I'm sorry it's not snowing. It would add to the atmosphere. Instead, it's just kind of damp, but we still have a great crowd. I want to say once again, thank you all for joining us on this really fun night. In just a few minutes, I'll be back with you to introduce the man of the hour and to guide you in the countdown toward the lighting of the tree. So with that, I'd like to introduce next our Director of Music from the Lynn Public Schools, Sabrina Quintana.
It's my pleasure to be here in Lynn. I just started this summer, and thank you for being here tonight for this exciting time. And we have two wonderful choruses that are going to come up and perform for you. First, we will have Lynn English High School Choir, and if they could go ahead and make their way up. As soon as they finish performing, we have Lynn Classical High School Choir that will come up immediately after them.
I'm hearing, if we all listen very carefully, I think I can hear something coming around the corner. I see lights. I think I'm seeing some lights. You're just in time, as you always are. Thank you for joining us. Is there something you'd like to say to the crowd before we start the countdown?
Merry Christmas, everybody!
Yeah!
Let's get this show on the road.
Happy Hanukkah, happy Kwanzaa.
Merry Christmas, everybody, and a Happy New Year!